Let's see how good you are at UI/UX design. Which UI uses proper contrast for displaying the order statuses? Applying dark background colors in this case can cause hierarchy conflicts among the primary elements that are supposed to be the main focal point of the page. The solution is to invert the colors to achieve proper contrast without interfering with other elements. Which UX approach should we follow for displaying a success message pop-up? This approach allows the users to see the success message pop-up while still having the freedom to utilize the site. While this UX is redundant because a success message pop-up's only function is to inform users that the most recent action they took was successful and lacks any real urgency. Okay, how about this one? Which UX approach should we follow for displaying a delete confirmation dialog? Since the delete functionality is a dangerous action, it should take priority and be the sole focus on the screen, blocking interaction with other elements. When designing form labels, which approach is easiest for users to understand? At first glance, some fields are hard to navigate because the labels and input fields are too far apart. Aligning the labels closer to the inputs is a better approach and makes the fields easier to read. Which heading text uses the correct line height spacing? Our eyes can easily read large fonts with less effort, so excessive line spacing for larger fonts is unnecessary. Applying less spacing between lines for large fonts is the correct approach. Which paragraph applies the correct line height spacing? While large font sizes should have less or sufficient line height, paragraphs require more line height to help the user's eyes read comfortably. Last question, which design follows the proper visual hierarchy? Since this is an online banking app, the bank card should be the most emphasized section. We should avoid including other primary colored sections that might compete with the bank card's focus. The add section should be secondary with a light background. And that's all for this video. If you like it, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe. See you on the next one.